Hello everybody, are you feeling alone? So it's better you watch my video. If you don't like, comment section is always for you. So today we will say calling API in JavaScript. It is very simple. We will try this calling API in 3 steps. Do not listen my family members voice. They are trying to speak something but it's useless. So first one is I will try using XML, and then we have a HTTP request. This is the first way. Second way is I will use fetch API, which is in built JavaScript. I will use this in promise way, and I will use this in async await way. So guys, this is the 3 way I will show you. Basically this is again the same part, but do not get bored. Stay tuned guys, do not close this channel. And since this is my HTML page and this is script page, so I will try calling this API here. This is my API, and I will try to communicate this API from my localhost, which is my current window. So what first I will try using this, which is called XML HTTP request. Okay guys, this is very old method, and this is still not dead. It is still trying to survive, but it's your wish. If you very much like this spelling, you can go for it, or else you can do whatever you want. It's up to you guys. So I will use here const, and I will use http, and I will try to create a new instance of this, which is nothing but XML HTTP request, right? So basically this is nothing but I'm trying to create an instance, as we know, using new keyword, right guys? Next one is guys, what to do. This is on ready, right? On ready change, on ready state change. What I'm trying to say guys, let's say if everything is all right and my data has come, now I want this function to run, okay? And whatever I want to do here, I will do my own stuff, which is very private. Okay guys, now I will try to call this API, okay, which I have copied in my clipboard, because again it's occupying some memory, so I need to free. So I will give the resource URL here with this to do's, and I want to put it through, okay? And here I will try to call this send, okay? What the result it will bring guys on my screen, let's see. I will refresh. Guys, it is not working at all. Do you know why? It may be working. We can say in network tab. Yeah guys, it is working. We cannot say this. It is bringing result too. Although it is some one result, but I'm okay with this. I was expecting this to do's. I will copy it. No problem. I was just trying to fetch only one item. Now we'll see various item in my console, right? And it is working fantastic. I need to just use it guys. What I will do is simply I want to capture, or I want to console log the xhttp I don't know what is xhttp dot response, okay, text. This is what I want to see. Let's see what I see. It's up to God hand. I will refresh. Guys, this is not a joke. It is not working at all. Why? And the only mistake I did is the capital R should be smaller, and rest it is okay. And since it is the way it is way, and I don't know what to say it, this is what I need to write. I wrote something in my own way, and this will work now. If I refresh, guys, this should work, or else I have to close my videos. I'm feeling ashamed now guys. Guys, there was a spelling mistake, and you know what I know, so please forgive me. I will refresh and see it is working, right? So this is the first way. I'm getting pretty much data which I don't want to store and I don't want to use because it is garbage to me. But what I can do is here I can put it if check, okay? I want to check if this dot ready state, okay? And I want to check if it is 4, it is type 4, and then only I want to check one more condition, that is nothing but this dot status. If it is success, okay, then I want to check this console. Then I want to just log this console, and then pretty much everything is working fine. Yeah guys, very nice. This is the first way. What is the second way? Second way is nothing but I will comment the entire code. I will just copy the URL. I will try using fetch API. So I will try using fetch API. In this fetch API, it is just asking the URL, which is again the same URL. I don't want to copy again. And this is my, we can say it's a response I will be getting from server who is running. I mean, I don't know where it is, but it is very far away from my home and I can only reach it over internet, but that's okay. Here, if I do console log, I will see some different information which is out of my mind. See, it is out of the world information which is very important, but it is not important for me. But what I can try is I can use it. I can really, this is, if you see the control log, I mean the network tab, you are seeing this response which is very important. I can see the result is still, but on the console I am seeing this. What I can do is I can return this response and I can call JSON again, which is another promise. Okay, if I do .10 block again, and if I see the result here, you will be surprised. Please close your eyes. Now if I go on this and see, this is what I'm getting. So I just changed this raw response. I tried reading this body stream, readable stream in the body, and then I tried it. So what JSON is doing, it nothing but extracting the information which is here on the raw read body, and it is trying to, we can say it is trying to read it in a JSON format, but the way it is giving output is an object. So it is trying to read the readable stream and it is trying to give us output as an object. So it is very fine, right? So I can do here catch as well if you want to catch something, not fish here, but this is error, and this is how it works, guy. Error. And this is another way, guys. If I do some mumbo jumbo mistake, then it will really destroy me, destroy my feeling. See, it is not working. Fail to fetch, it's gone, guys. So this is how it works. Another way I will try doing is async await. Everything is same, again the URL and the fetch, and I will comment this again. There is no issue with this. I don't want to try in a catch block. I will first try using fetch block. I mean the fetch API, and what I want to do is I want to use it in a function, okay, because I'm gonna use it async await. So this is function, and I want to do something here, and what I can do is I can give it a API call. You can name it whatever you wanna name it. You can even name it on your girlfriend name, but that is okay. This is another, guys, async, because I want to use the await keyword. It will not allow unless I write async. Now I will restore the data on const, because I don't know how to make sentence, but I just keep it. Later I focus on this. Guys, this is what I copied. Again false. I want to put await because I don't want to pass my control down before it finishes this fetch request. So this is what I want to do. Again, I want to see the result, and I want to see the result by calling .json. It is again same. Again, this is another promise. So I need to put await keyword, so it will just pause the control flow and try to wait for the data. Converting the data. And if I just print it, it is working perfectly fine. What do you say? I need to call this function, guys, because this is not my friend and this does not understand my feeling at all. So I need to call it. Unless it, okay, so it is working. Now I can handle the mistakes here. If I put comms, it is again breaking. I need to use try call. So the better way is I want to wrap. Okay, I copied something falsely. I want to wrap this with try and catch. This is how I write. And then I want to console log the error. Okay, and let's see if it is working. Refresh. Again, I think I changed the URL again, but again it will work. Guys, see, if you are feeling boring, then what can you do? You have to watch or you have to go. There is only two things, or either you can put something wrong in my comment section, which I will delete it afterwards. So it's just a waste of your time, I will say. Better you focus on this concept, or let me focus on something else. Guys, now I can add a finally block here, which is nothing but a block. It will not receive any data, so I'm not opening any mouth here, and it is just running anyway. It is like we can say it is a good person. It does not worry if it is failed or passed. It just running away. It should run. See, even though it is having error, it is running in a good way. Now what I will try to do is I will put again the right URL, and it is working again, and it is working again. So it is better. This is the three ways, guys. We tried calling API. One is the old-fashioned way, which is probably you don't like. If you like, hit subscribe and share. And another one is fetch API using promise. Another one is again fetch using async await. Guys, I hope you like this video. And if you don't, what can I do? I will try to make another video. If you are still okay and if you are healthy, you can watch it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.